Hello students, welcome to the Genius of English. Today we are going to study the Complete Guide to Adverbs in English Grammar. An adverb is a word that can modify a verb, adjective, adverb, or clause. An adverb answers questions like how, where, when, and to what extent. Now let us understand the different sections step by step. Types of adverbs and functional use. The first type is adverbs of manner. Examples are hardly and quickly. The example sentence is, he works hard. The placement note says pre-MV and post-B. The second type is adverbs of place. Examples are here and in the lab. The example sentence is, go home. End position is common. The third type is adverbs of time. Examples are early and recently. The example sentence is, they arrived early. This shows the temporal frame. The fourth type is adverbs of frequency. Examples are always and never. These answer how often. The example sentence is, he often travels. They are used for repeated actions. The fifth type is adverbs of degree. Examples are very and to. They are used before adjectives or verbs. The example sentence is, she is quite sure. They show intensity level. The sixth type is interrogative adverbs. Examples are when and how. These are used in interrogation. The seventh type is relative adverbs. Examples are where and when. The example words are when and when. End position is common. The eighth type is sentence adverbs. Examples are fortunately and honestly. The example sentence is fortunately, honestly. They show attitude frame. The ninth type is viewpoint adverbs. Examples are economically and personally. The example sentence is, apparently, it's true. They are used in professional context. 2. Adverb formation rules and exceptions. First is suffix addition using ly. Examples. Clear becomes clearly. Real becomes really. There is also a note. Sole becomes solely. Total becomes totally. Next are spelling changes from y to I. Examples. Happy becomes happily. Angry becomes angrily. Exceptions are shyly, wryly. Now let us see misleading ly words which are adjectives only. Examples. Friendly, lovely, lively, silly, sorry, silly, rarely. Furthers. The examples given are a friendly manner, not smiles friendly, Manni's Renf on smiles friendly. Now irregular forms. Good becomes well. Hard becomes hard. Early becomes early. Far becomes far further. Notes. Semantic shifts before adjective. Before early can certainly do. 3. Placement and syntactic position. Basic rules. Mid-position priority for frequency, he always sings. End position for place and time, he sings here today. There is also a sequence. Verb plus manner place time. Example, he ran quickly home yesterday. Incorrect example, he ran home quickly yesterday. 4. Degrees of comparison and order. Now let us study degrees of comparison. Regular forms. One syllable. Hard harder. Quickly more quickly. Quickly most quickly. Multi-syllable. More most quickly. More quickly. Most quickly. Special. Early, earlier, earliest. Irregular forms. Well, better, best. Badly, worse, worst. Far, farther, farthest, or far, further, furthest with semantic distinctions. Now the order of multiple adverbs. Manner, place, time. Correct sentence, he ran quickly home yesterday. Another correct form, he ran in home quickly yesterday. Incorrect form, he ran home quickly yesterday. We common errors, special cases and traps. Double adverbs or negatives. Incorrect, can't barely. Correct, can barely. Using adjective for adverb. Incorrect, walk slow. Correct, walk slowly. Dual meanings and semantic shifts. Late versus lately. Hard versus hardly. 6. Advanced concepts and syntax. Sentential adverbs as discourse markers. Sentential adverbize as modifies a consonant of use as split infinitive. Split infinitives. We compound adverbs as ondance markers, notes on prescriptive versus current use at math. Semantic scope. Analysis Elise form at propentitis of preceptive versus semantic scope. Interrogative versus relative versus conjunctive adverbs. Cross-reference notes, conjunctive adverbs with cross-reference note. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.